How to create anime glow effect in Photoshop. First, go to the ellipse tool and draw a circle on a black background. Set the fill color to yellow. Now select the Move tool and position it where you want the glow to appear. Then press Ctrl+J 3 times to create 3 copies of the same circle. Next, for the first copy, go to Filter, Convert to Smart Object Blur, Gaussian Blur, and set the radius to 55.3. Do the same steps for the second and third copies. Convert them into smart objects and apply the same Gaussian blur radius. Now drag the main circle layer on top of all blurred layers. Press Ctrl+T to adjust its size and position nicely. Next, go to Blending Options Outer Glow. Choose a yellow color and adjust the settings until it looks smooth. After that, go to Stroke. Change the color to yellow. Set the size to 3. Position, outside and opacity, 100%. Press OK and that's it. Your anime glow effect is ready.